So how do we fill our drinking post off grid? Well, this is the way we do it at our house. We've taken this is our sump pump. We take the water from that sump pump and push it upstairs. We actually have a Y system, so right now it's going outside to the garden, but if we want it to go upstairs, we have this PEX line that goes across the house. You can see it goes across and it goes upstairs. So Mike has it going across and it goes upstairs to the barrel. So this is where the water comes up from the sump pump and is stored here from the barrel upstairs. It comes back down across and it is then pumped underneath the frost line from our foundation, our house, and goes across to the drinking post. From that black container up in that bedroom, the water then goes down underneath the house to that frost line, PEX line you saw, and it goes across our driveway to our run-in here, and I will show you the drinking post in action. And remember, this drinking post does not take any electricity. So here is the drinking post, and I'll pretend to be a horse, and I'm going to press, and here comes the water. And when the horse is finished drinking, or the animal, you can see the water draining back down. So it doesn't give it time to freeze. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these drinking posts, please give us a call at 506-688-2831 or go to offgridadventure.ca for more details.